Yeah, so I got a question. I was a truck driver. I worked for this company, and they hired me as a contract driver, no church freight. And they had a contract where you had to unload at a certain couple of stops. And I was in South Carolina and had to unload the trailer, and I slipped off the back of the trailer and broke my foot. And when I get back, the company, the owner said they wasn't going to pay doctor bills, which they didn't. And am I eligible to get workman's comp or a lawsuit from? And then this happened in November 2011, and I kept on at them. And I was going to the doctor in May of 2012. They fired me, and they didn't pay none of the bills, and I'm stuck with these bills.
All right, good question. Thank you, Bruce. We appreciate you sharing tonight. So, hearing some of his story, what are your thoughts?
Well, were you a leaseholder? Was your truck leased, or were you a direct employee of the company?
I suppose been a lease driver and no church freight, but they had a couple of contracts where the driver had to unload the truck.
Yeah. Well, you're probably facing a situation where they're definitely going to try and defend. There are exceptions under the Alabama statute when it comes to folks that are covered under the statute, and unfortunately, lease drivers, that falls into one of the categories. What you probably need to do is you need to go in and sit down with an attorney and let him or her go over the facts, maybe look at your contract. Do you have a contract, a written contract?
They wouldn't give me a copy of their contract.
Okay. Well, sit down with an attorney and answer his or her questions and let them analyze that situation for you a little bit closer.